So, have you ever thought to yourself, what if I invested $100 in 5 different ways over 4 years? Stocks, crypto, REITs, gold, or just saving in cash? Which one do you believe delivered the best return? Let's break it down. That's why when you buy a stock, you're actually buying a tiny piece of a company. But we're talking about risk, and they're also known for high rewards. If I had put $100 into Nvidia, it would soon have grown an impressive $908 in 4 years. Not all stocks do well. That's a drop of 30% or more in the value of a $100 investment in Samsung to $67.66. Stocks are high risk, high reward. That's the nature of stocks. Property without buying real estate, that's what REITs offer. Stable, reliable, and dividends paid. My REITs investment has increased by 44%. Crypto nor stocks, but steady growth with lower risk. Gold has been a go-to investment for years, a safe haven in turbulent time and a hedge against inflation. Its gold won't generate huge returns, but it isn't a total loser either. It's good for saving wealth. The safest thing by far is putting money in a savings account, but safety comes at a cost. That's about equivalent to inflation. They say that $100 in cash actually lost about 5%. I think it's safe, but it's not growing. Well, which investment did we end up going forward with? Bitcoin and Nvidia stocks were almost on par, with Bitcoin coming in at 552% and Nvidia at 808%. As well, REITs and gold gained modestly, and cash lagged behind inflation. You can avoid these by realizing that every investment type has its pros and cons, but stocks and crypto will make you richer but more risky. The safer, slower growing assets are REITs and gold, and cash is fine, but it loses value over time. What's your favorite thing to invest? Let me know in the comments. Finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for loads more financial experiments and insights. If you enjoyed this thought line, thanks for tuning in, where we aim to simplify finance to empower you with the tools to make smarter decisions. See you next time.